Welcome back to our channel, Glamour Guru. Ever wonder how to achieve that perfect, long-lasting lipstick look? Or how to create a matte finish with a glossy lipstick? Well, today, we'll unravel the mysteries and share with you 10 fantastic lipstick hacks that can truly transform your makeup routine. Firstly, remember that all great lipstick looks start with smooth, well-prepared lips. Gently exfoliate your lips to remove any dead skin cells. This can be done with a homemade sugar scrub or even a soft bristled toothbrush. This simple step ensures that your lipstick glides on smoothly for a flawless finish. Next, consider creating a base with a bit of concealer. This not only neutralizes the natural color of your lips, but also provides a blank canvas for your lipstick to truly shine. Now here's a hack for all the matte lipstick lovers out there. Transform any glossy lipstick into a matte finish with a tissue and a touch of translucent powder or baby powder. Just apply your lipstick, blot with a tissue, and lightly dust over with your chosen powder. Voila! Instant matte. For those of you wanting to create the illusion of fuller lips, lip liners are your secret weapon. Choose a lip liner slightly darker than your lipstick shade and outline your lips, slightly exaggerating your natural lip line. Fill in your lips partially with the liner before applying your lipstick, and you've got a subtle plump effect. And don't fret if you've accidentally broken your favorite lipstick. You can fix it by gently heating the broken end until it's slightly melted, reattaching the broken piece, and refrigerating it for a couple of hours. Now let's get a bit experimental. Create a trendy dual-toned lip look by applying a darker shade of lipstick on the outer parts of your lips and a lighter shade in the center. Blend them together for a stunning gradient effect. Accidentally got lipstick on your outfit? Treat the stain by applying a small amount of hairspray or rubbing alcohol before washing. This helps break down the oils in the lipstick, making it easier to remove. Remember, your lipstick can serve multiple purposes. Use a bit of your favorite lipstick as a cream blush for a natural flush, or even as an eyeshadow to tie your look together. And for those special occasions, ensure your lipstick lasts all day with this trick. After applying your lipstick, place a tissue over your lips and lightly dust some translucent powder over it. This sets the lipstick and enhances its longevity. Finally, if your lipstick starts to feel dry or faded throughout the day, simply apply a thin layer of lip balm to hydrate your lips and revive the color. And there you have it, 10 fantastic lipstick hacks to elevate your makeup routine. I hope you find these tips useful and that they inspire you to try something new with your lipstick. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. It's always a pleasure to share these gems with you. Now, if you enjoyed these lipstick hacks and want to stay updated on more such beauty tips and tricks, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you found these hacks useful, give us a thumbs up by liking this video. Sharing is caring, so don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also benefit from these hacks. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay glamorous.